So I just took out my 2 little braids and my hair needs to be washed. So we are going to be doing a hair tutorial today. It's going to be from Unice hair. And my name is Keymee if I did not say that. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So this unit is going to be from Unice hair. And it is actually going to be a U-parts wig. So I was like, it'd be a good time for me to do like a half up, half down. Because my hair does need to be washed and everything, and my front is like slicked down. My hair is like naturally curly, so when I go to add water or something on it, it's just gonna curl up. So while it's like half like kind of straightened on its own, I think it'd be really good to do it right now before I actually do wash it. So in the box, they do give you goodies. They've been like, every company been giving all kind of goodies. So it does come in this Unice bag. It has the hair clips, has the eyelashes, and then it does have like this little silk scarf. And then of course they do put you in a wig cap. And this unit, it was sent around Christmas, so I did get a Christmas stocking, and then there was like a Merry Christmas card as well. So this is going to be the unit. It is neatly packaged in this plastic bag. I do have the Kinky straight unit, and it's going to be in 24 inches. So this is going to be how the unit looks. It is going to be a U-part wig, so it does have that piece that's going to be in the middle that you do have to cut off. So this one you are going to get, let's see, they have 3 combs, one right here, one on each side, and then you do have the combs on the outside, and then you have a comb on the back, and then there is a little bit of lace to cut off. So I wanted to do like a half up, half down hairstyle. I wanted to do a half up, half down hairstyle, so I'm just gonna part out my front. I don't think you really need much to leave out, so I'm just gonna go across the top like this. So for my back, I'm just going to brush this and put this in a ponytail. Hopefully with this being like a kinky straight, you won't even be able to see my hair. So I'm just going to put it just in ponytail like that. And now I'm going to put this unit on. So now I'm just going to put that clip that's in the middle, in the center. And then I'm just taking it and just pulling it straight instead of leaving it how they have it, you know, in a U. I'm just following the outline that I did on my hair. So just like that, I'm just gonna pull up some of the side and leave some of the back down. Just to make it easier, if you try to do the half up, half down, put the back in the ponytail. That way these clips that are over here on the side, they'll kind of have something to grip to rather than you trying to do it without it, because it was coming up. So now that I have it pulled back in a ponytail, that's kind of holding it down while I pull the hair. Like I pull some from the side right here, and then I pull some from the center so that I can put it all in a ponytail. Okay, so this is how it looks. You see how my hair is just blending in with this? Like, it looks so freaking good. I like this so that I can do like a half up, half down without having to apply any heat on my hair and it blending in with my hair, especially if I don't want to use heat on my hair. And I like this. So this unit is 24 inches. It is a kinky straight texture. I am getting some shedding with this unit, but it is soft to touch and you can run your hands through it. And it is long. It is going to be a human hair, so you can curl it, straighten it, or do whatever you want to. But I like it like this. You don't have to like wear it in your face. You don't have to like leave your hair out and then do like the you know, like just wear it out, because I did that in my other tutorial that you will see. But this right here is just an alternative to put it up in half up, half down without applying any heat, especially if you got like curly hair or you just don't want to apply heat at all. So I freaking like this. And like right here, that is my hair, but it blends in with this unit so freaking well, which I really do like. So this is just a random headband and it looks cute like this. Like I said, you can do a lot with a U-part, and this right here was no heat involved. Do want to say that it was no heat involved. And like I told y'all before, when it comes to U-parts, that is not my forte. So I like this. I think it looks good. I will go to the gym just like this. See how my hair is left out and it's already frizzed up? I would have no problems going to the gym like this and working out and having my hair kind of revert. So I like this. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial. I will leave a link down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, leave those down below. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.